how to put your mobile Fortnite account on PS5. You want to go on a PC or open up the browser on your phone and search for Epic Games. Then open up the first website. Here we will need to click on sign in the top right, and then if you scroll down you will see mobile, sign in with Apple, and also you can sign in with your Google account, so depending on what device you use. So I'm just going to sign into my account and show you how we can proceed. Once you have signed into your account, then you will need to click on your name in the top right and then click on account. From here we will be taken to the linked accounts page if we select it from the left hand side. So we're just going to click on it, and then you want to find PlayStation Network right here, and you will just click on a link, or it might be at the top here. So let's say that you see PlayStation Network in this field, you will click on it. It is then going to ask you to sign into your PlayStation account, and once you sign in, it is going to link it and it's going to appear here, PlayStation Network, and you will have successfully converted your mobile account to be able to use it on PS5 as well. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.